Here we are with a series of halogen halide ion displacement reactions. In the first three conical flasks here we have potassium chloride, in the second three conical flask we have potassium bromide, and in the third set of three conical flasks we have potassium iodide. Into each of them we're going to sequentially put iodine in this row, bromine water into this row, and chlorine water into this row. So let's have a look if any displacement reactions occur. Here's the iodine. You can see it stain the bottle deep brown colour. We're familiar with iodine, and if we place an approximate equal amount, a few mils, into each of those solutions, we see not much difference in the three. Same colour for the iodine, and nothing appears to have happened. Into the second sequence of flasks we're going to put bromine water. So this is quite nasty stuff. There's the bromine water. Quickly put the top back on the bottle. The bromine water 0.02 molar, and let's introduce that into the three flasks. So we've got into the first flask, which is in bromine water in potassium chloride. This is bromine water into potassium bromide, and finally bromine water into potassium iodide. And hopefully you can see there that the bromine into potassium iodide has turned a much deeper orange colour than the other two, perhaps indicating a difference in the reaction. Finally we have chlorine water. Here's the chlorine water, and we're going to introduce that into the three flasks. So first let's put some chlorine water into the potassium chloride, then chlorine water into potassium bromide, and finally chlorine water into potassium iodide. So once again you can see a difference in the intensity of the colours there. The chlorine into potassium chloride, no noticeable change, but both into the chlorine into the potassium bromide we've got a development of an orange-yellow colour, and into the potassium iodide we've got that familiar iodine colour present there.